Hi, this is Matthew Goodman, and welcome to episode 3 of my NetSuite Quickies. Have you ever run a saved search only to get sent straight to a record instead of seeing the search results? Let me show you what I mean. Let me pull up my demo account here. So last episode we created a search called Big Sales Orders. I'm going to use that again today, except I changed it a little bit. I made it so that a big sales order is $1.5 million instead of just $200,000. So let's go ahead and run this search here and look at our search results. What? It sent us straight to a sales order. What just happened? Well, I can explain that to you. Standard NetSuite functionality states that if a saved search, when it's run, only returns one single result, it will send you to that result directly instead of showing you the search results. There are a lot of reasons why that's not necessarily what you would want as a behavior. Maybe your saved search has some special highlighting that you want to show. Maybe you've got some filters that you want to play with as you're looking at the results, even though you only have one. Or maybe there's just some columns in your saved search, like formulas and other columns, other fields that are not shown on the record itself and only available in the search. So let me show you how we can turn that off. Let's go to Home, Set Preferences. And it's going to be in the Analytics section. There's a little checkbox right here under Search called Show List When Only One Result. Let's go ahead and take that in and save, and let's try it out. I'm going to click on my Sales Orders Results page again. And now hopefully, if all goes well, we're going to get our result. And there it is. We got our one sales order for $1.5 million. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions, as always, please don't hesitate to comment on the video. And otherwise, I'll see you next episode. Thank you.